Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So in the previous video, we have seen the color property. So about how to add the RGB and also how to add the hexa values. Okay, so in this today video, we will see about how to add the HSL value in the color property itself. It might be a background color or it is color. Like in the color property, how can we add that HSL value? Okay. So first of all, what is the HSL means? It is a hue, saturation, and the lightness. Okay. So hue, saturation, lightness means like hue is like you can add the color. Okay. So it is like it will be in the from the 0 to 360. So it will be in the color wheel. Okay. So 0 to 360 it will be there. 0 means it is a red and 120 means it is green. Okay. And also if it is goes with the 240 means it is like a blue. So and comes to the saturation means saturation is a percentage. You have to add it in the percentage value. So hue has to be added in the 0 to 360. Okay. So when it comes to the saturation, you have to add it in from the percentage. So when you add the 0 percentage means it's the shades of gray. Okay. And when you add the 100% means it is like in between that whatever it is there. So from 0 to 100% whatever you add. So it depends on the color, shades it will go. Okay. So saturation 100% it will means it will show that full color. 0 to like from 100% it will go like the gray shades will go from 0 to 100% only. Okay, so and when it comes to the lightness, so it will also be in the percentage value only. So 0% is like black. When it comes to the 100%, it will go with the white. Okay, so let's say in the practical manner. Okay, so I have already one file is there. I'm trying to apply for the color for the watercolor property for H1, and I have already yesterday we have seen the hexa value, and now I will try to go with the HSL value. Okay, HSL. Okay, so HSL. So we have to add the hue. Okay, hue it will be between from 0 to 360, right? So I'll add the 20. Okay, something like that. So saturation 20%. Okay, and also lightness also I'll add 30%, some kind of. Okay, so you can see there is some kind of color it is coming. Okay, so let me save and let me go to that. Okay, so let me go to live. Go live. You can see the color is little bit different from the previous one. Okay, so again you can add how much you want. So for example, let me use the 0. Okay, 0 is a for red. Okay, so I'll use the what 100%. Okay, saturation I'm using the 100%. Okay, also here I'll add the water 0. Okay, 0%. It will comes to the what light. Okay, that lightness if it is 0 means it is black, no? So it will come in the black. What if I add the 100%? Okay, it will come like lightness white. Okay, what if I add the 10%? Okay, it is coming different. Okay, what if I add the like 80 percentage? So it will turn that lightness like the red color will be gone like this. Okay, so if I use the like 40%, so it come in the like manner of the water, red color itself. So you can see here how can we change the color also. You can change the color according to your requirement also. So sorry for that. So you can see that. So the color is changing. Okay. So this color, the property, color property and the value, the RGB and the also hexa and also HSL, which will apply for the background color property also. Okay. So this will help you for to understand the when we can apply the color, right? We can go with this kind of values. Okay, you might take the RGB or you might take the HSL or you might take the hexa value. Okay, so I hope this video is understandable and also it's very useful for you to understand what is the how to add the color. Okay, so if you like this video, okay, so please hit on the like button. And if you have any kind of doubts, you can comment it out. Okay, so we will try to resolve it. Okay, and you can share this video to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching it, guys.